This is the EG show. This is George, aka EG. This is another video to inspire you, to teach you some few tips that might help you in your personal life. What a good day to change your life. What a wonderful day to change your life. Today, it's important that you ask yourself this question. What a good day, what a beautiful day to change your life. The reason that you don't have what you want in your life, it's because you do not ask yourself this question. I must change my life. I got enough of the situation where I'm living now. I need to overcome this situation. I need to reverse the engineering of the way I'm thinking. So what is a good day to start now? What is a good day to change your life today? What you should do to make it happen? It's time for you to say, I got enough of the situation. Now you make the decision, you have to stick on it. You believe that you got enough of the situation. You said, I don't want it anymore. I don't want to live broke anymore. I don't want to live alone anymore. I don't want to live in this situation anymore. I want to move forward and I need another alternative. This alternative, each what you got in your mind. Specifically, what do you want? Do you want more money? Do you want more wealth? Do you want start a business? Do you want a dream job? Do you want somebody special in your life? Do you want to create a product or service? Do you want to innovate? Do you want to bring your own app on the market? Do you want to start your YouTube channel? Do you want to take a cooking class and start your own restaurant? But it's a good day for you to decide. Decide this is the moment that I will change my life. I already missed the first part. I already wasting my time in the first part of my life until today. Today is the start point for the past, start point for the bad thing that have been done in my life. This is the starting point for the new life. Now you are in a new era in your life. You're gonna change things the way you want. You're gonna change things the way you visualize your future. Know what you want. Stick on it. Now the next step you have to do, apply. The next step is taking action. Do whatever it's possible to bring yourself close to your dream by taking action. You do whatever it's possible in your power to bring yourself close to what you're looking for. If you want to start a business, start taking action, start reading about the business, start interrogating, start getting interview with people in the business field, go to the chamber of commerce, meet people, listen to business show, radio show, and taking action. Start doing something. If you want to sell something, go on a dollar store, Five Belows, buy things and put them on eBay. You're gonna start something, and eventually your momentum will come along the way. Start something. You're taking action. Now you have to apply discipline. When you need it, you gotta go for it. The only way you gotta go for it is apply discipline. So succeed or die. I want this so mad that nothing gonna change my mind. It's like a motherboard in a computer. When you got the CMOS is an EEPROM. It's a memory programming that stick on the motherboard. You can change the RAM memory, you can change the other memories and the computer, but the CMOS and the motherboard is stick inside the parts. They put the memory, and the memory you can't remove it. This is what you have to do with the idea that you got in your mind. You put it in your mind, and you're not gonna be able to erase it because it's still there. It's your vision, it's your passion, it's what you want, it's your burning desire for achievement. Now you got to be persistent, because nothing is easy. If it was easy, everybody will do it. So you need to apply persistence in what you're doing. Be persistent. Persistence means I want to do it anyway. I might find some roadblock on my way. I might try, it might not working. I might become bankrupt. I might losing money. I might get scammed. I might you name it. But I will not give up, because when you are persistent, persistence you apply and what you're doing, the persistence you apply to craft what you're doing will knock the door of possibility for you. Good day to start your life. What a good day to change everything. What a good day to become a millionaire. So this is EG, the EG show. I will see you in the next video. Please subscribe and share this video on social media with your friends and your relatives. Please subscribe. Thanks. I will see you on the next video.